What are we doing? More importantly, why? Welcome back to Freedom Hillbilly. We got the Ford Explorer, 1997, and we brought it in for an alignment. They rejected it, said, yeah, you did all this great work on the driver's side, replace the CV axle, replace the hub, replace the lower ball joint, replace the control arm, replace the sway bar linkage. You did all that work. You even painted it. You put new brakes all around. You even fixed the rear parking brake. Have a video on that. But, you forgot to look at the drinker's side, bud. The ball joint's shot. The tie rod end is essentially gone. You're missing a boot on the upper control arm. What were you thinking? Oh, and by the way, you got a water pump leak, and transmission fluid is coming out the vent tube, and your four-wheel drive may not be getting into gear. So come back anytime. Well, today I thought it would be a good idea if we rectified that situation. Got all the goodies, except windshield wipers. I need those too. Tie rod end, ball joint, water pump tool, water pump, and a four-wheel drive actuator. Gonna save those for another day. Let's start small, see if we can get the ball joint, see if we can get the tie rod, and maybe we could get an alignment this week before Christmas. Probably not. In case you don't know how to take a wheel off, we're gonna get you into the action. There we go, now we're recording. Let's get a putter-upper thing. One of these guys, Daytona, 3-ton. Old fart, knee protector 3000. Ooh, up we go. Hey, our air worked. 19. Sounded a little anemic. Take a close look at this. Take a close look. Look how shiny this is. It's brand new. Brand new from, I forget. I'll put the name up here. Somewhere on the screen is the name of the company I got this from. It was $200 with shipping and all that. For a wheel, that's expensive, but it came ready to put a tire on. It came shiny like this. It came painted. It came like sanded in the rim, no dings, no cracks, no bends, ready to put on a tire machine and mount this guy on it. I was impressed. The only thing I had to do is put some anti-seize on the back. I mean, look at this guy. Look at how nicely painted this was. I'm impressed. Anyway, go over there. Now what's next? Probably some bolts have to come off. That's usually how it goes. Get the camera in here. See what's going on. This upper ball joint, that thing needs a boot. So we might want to take that off. This guy, wow, you could see that guy as that needs replacing. Well, this guy looks okay, this tie rod. I don't know why he said it was, I don't know. We got a new one anyway. This kind of even looks new. I got a new cotter pin on there. I don't know what he's going on about, but place that linkage. You can see that's new. So we're going to start by taking off the caliper, and that's a 13 millimeter. Then we'll go and attack the caliper bracket from behind. We just need some room in here. Boom. Okay, that's gonna come off. Sometimes you need a wrench to hold the other part of it from spinning. A mag tray and a hanger. These have absolutely zero wear on them because they're brand spanking new. Let's hang this up, move the light, hang it up, put the light back. Now we're ready to get this guy at this guy. How about on the bottom here? Okay, the bottom one works. We gotta turn the wheel. Improve your access. There we go. There's another bolt for you. And our bracket. So that guy's out of the way. This guy could come out of the way. Let's remove cotter pin. Yeah, this is brand spanking new. I'm just pulling out a cotter pin, really. There it goes. Like look at this one, it's brand new. It's still shiny. So I don't know what he was saying by this is a bad tie rod. Anyway, what size is it? It has to come off to replace the ball joint anyway. It's not that size. Okay, I brought the whole set. We'll see which one works. Tie rod is 21. It's a little loose. Maybe it's an English something or other. Let's get that cotter pin out too. Hard to see. Man, this is a tough one. No, that doesn't want to do it. Well, we're already having trouble, struggling. Thing's rusted to heck. I should just break half of it off. That's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll just put a brand new one in. There we go. Okay, now we got some leverage. Oh, we got one half. The other one should just come right out. Come on, you can do it. With my fingers, maybe. Fighting me every step of the way. There it is. Out. A little sliver of metal holding us up, the whole works up. You got to listen to what the car is telling you. It's telling you it's going to be a difficult pain in the butt. So we're bringing all the, and we're bringing the liquid stuff. All right, just because. All right, we're going to just give us every freaking advantage that we can have because it wants to fight. Now, let's see. Hey, good guess. What size is that? 24. That's the size we want. First one, wouldn't you know it? Now that we got serious, it knows we're serious. And I say, oh, okay, he's serious now. All right, we're not messing around. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Yeah, now we got you on the run. Get this tie rod end out. I'm going to show you a technique that you're not supposed to do. You get the big Tanya and you whack it. You're not supposed to do that because it mushrooms it out. I thought it would just pop. It's not. So then you get your tie rod removal tool. And let me get a small screwdriver to lift up the boot so we don't rip that sucker. Oh, look at that. We're getting that up there nice. Let's back this off all the way. Oh, man. Darn it. I don't have enough reach on this. Well, isn't that charming? Look at that. We're off by 16. Thank you, Ford. This is just great. Well, I might have to start hammering on it. Tanya isn't going to be enough. We are going to need Tanya's mom. Oh, there we go. Tanya's mom. It's a good thing we didn't have to call Dad out. All right. Let's see about this guy. Oh my God, this doesn't want to move. Has this been overextended or what? I don't know. Look at that. Get some wrench and take that sucker off. All right, to knock this guy loose, we take this is 21, okay? This is 19, and it's the standard thread, so lefty, loosey, etc. There we go. And we counted 11. I've already marked it. 11 turns. But this wheel is way off. I could see it was looking, so after replacing the steering rack, those thread counts just don't hold up. Come on. And we want to take a little closer look at this guy. Taking a closer look at this guy. Okay, I don't put it in here and man, it just is not. I don't understand. But it looks like on the side here it was overextended or something. I don't know. Something's wrong with it. Something is definitely wrong with it. Yeah, I don't know. Let's get the other one out. What do we got? We got a nut, a cotter pin, and a little grease fitting. Now let's see this guy by comparison. Geez, this is what it's supposed to be like. Like you can move it, but it's firm. This one's a 19. Well, look, you see how that turns? That's better. So we'll let the guys at the alignment shop figure out where this is. We'll just try and get the wheel straight as we can. That looks wrong. Oh man, this was not recording. Holy f. So welcome to the workbench. We're gonna do a post-mortem on this tie rod. We're gonna cut the boot. Yeah, we are. For some reason this doesn't want to cut nicely. There must be like a metal seal built into the boot. At least this part of it's been built well. That grease does not look new or fresh. I mean, it's all congealed. I don't know. That's what it's hanging up on. It's I don't know. Well, I'm not sure, but it's junk anyway. That'll wrap it up for this episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying to the end. See you on the next one. Hillbilly out.